here in Auburndale, Florida at this Domino's, and we're going to try that new stuffed crust pizza that they've been selling. All right, you know what that means. Let's get to it. I'm old enough to remember those days. All right, everyone, here's the big reveal. Oh, look how thick that crust looks. This is where the real test magic happens. You pull it apart. See if I can do it. Look at that cheese. See if I can do it with one hand. You can tell the cheese. Yeah, look at that. Oh. Ooh, it's hot too. Grab that one slice there, will you? Oh, look at that cheesiness, guys. Whoops. Trying to do this one hand, it's hard because this is really hot. It just came out. Look at that. Domino's is always very good. Let's try the crust first before I give you my full opinion. Well, really fantastic. It has a lot of garlic and Parmesan on there. The cheese is not skimpy. It's very cheesy. You can see it pulling away. It's very good. I know some people joked that they swore that Domino's had stuffed crust before, and they said they didn't. I could swear they did, but I must be thinking another place. But yeah, this is really good. This is the regular red sauce with mushrooms. They have other choices of toppings, as you know, and sauces. This is the one I got. Yeah, the stuffed crust with the cheese really adds to it. It just gives it more oomph, to it. And I like it. A nice thick crust and not dry. Sauce is always fairly robust. Very good. And let's see what else I want to add to this. I've gotten pizza there a couple times, but it's been a long time. I've always enjoyed them. I got other kinds of pizzas like New York style pizza, which is always very good. It's like a thin crust one. And those lava cakes I've gotten before, they're really delicious. So yeah, Domino's I'm always fairly happy with. And definitely this new kind of pizza that they have. All right, we're going to enjoy this. And if you have any comments, questions, let me know. I definitely recommend trying their new kind of pizza. And I also recommend you, if you're in the Auburndale, Florida area, check out the Domino's. That's there. There's a couple of them in Auburndale. I'll make sure I put the address below for which one I went to. But yeah, definitely check out their stuffed crust pizza or any of their pizzas. They're always very good. All right. Any comments, questions, like I said, please put below. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. All right. You know what that means. Time to get on to the next video. All right. Peace. Bye.